So today we are getting rid of this makeup desk and getting a real vanity. Today we are transforming my makeup section, and I'm super excited because I got this heavy thing, Impressions vanity. So let's put it together. This is gonna be a long day. I just bought this handy dandy pink toolkit for the girls so we can put this vanity together. That's hard. Woo! Oh God. I mean, honestly, I'm not mad at all this packing because it better be packed tightly as much as these things cost. You would think the inside would be a different material though. I just vacuumed. Hours later, and I have part of 4 drawers built. I'm about to work on the last, I want to say it's going to be at least 2. We're going to go from there, y'all. This is a lot. Yeah, this took all day. I'm over here watching Jackie Hanna because that's my girl. Now it's time for me to move this old disc onto the other side and get her ready for Facebook Marketplace. And wishing her the best. We're gonna get rid of this chair soon too. Y'all don't even know. This was a real task. All right, God. Whew. Okay, let's do it. Yeah. Y'all see the two pieces? Awesome, awesome. Looking good. I haven't put the thing on here yet because I know it's heavy and it's going to be real awkward to do that. So I figured this would be the best way to connect it. Also, this has holes in it for me to plug in everything. I wonder how I'm supposed to do that. I'm going to get my man to do it later. I'll get my man to do it later. That's what I'm going to do. No, I'll be trying to do stuff like I ain't got no man around here. Awkward, awkward, awkward. Easy, easy, easy. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, that's just beautiful. That lines up pretty good. It's damn near line perfect. Okay. So this is my finished vanity. So I finally finished the vanity, and you guys won't believe what I've been through putting this thing together. And, you know, it was actually pretty easy to put together. As long as you followed the instructions, everything pretty much lined up the way it was supposed to. But when I put on this tabletop, there's 4 screw holes in here. And I ended up just putting 2 on the top, or 2 closest to me, because if I put them in the back, the screws that came with it, they would have just locked the drawers in place, because I can't pull it past this part unless I forcefully tried to pull it out to get it past the hump of the screws. And those screws actually came in the box, so that's one thing, but I don't mind not being able to open this all the way. It's not a big deal to me, really. It's just something tedious. On another note, when the bottom half, the tabletop, and the drawers came in, it did not come in with the mirror. So I had to wait for the mirror. The mirror actually came the next day, the one that I actually ordered. It was the one that had the, you know, the little black screen on it. I'll put the name of it down below. But it had where it showed you, you know, the time, it showed you what the temperature was, and it had all the Bluetooth buttons and, you know, volume and things like that on the actual screen, along with plugs on the side of it. They actually delivered that to me cracked. So, so I ended up having to use the route insurance thing and wait for them to send me another mirror. That took about 2 weeks, and they sent me the wrong mirror with some smaller light bulbs on top of that. I used the big light bulbs from the right mirror, the mirror that I actually ordered, since they didn't want it back anyway. And I also did keep this little magnet mirror, but it does not stick on this mirror, unfortunately. So, I don't know. I'm just using it as a handheld mirror. And unfortunately, this mirror also does not have the plugs on the side. So, impressions vanity, you guys got to do better. I will say, though, I did see a lot of people saying that they never even received their mirror or things like that. So, I was kind of stressing that I wasn't going to get a mirror at all. So, when I told them, like, hey, y'all sent me the wrong mirror the second time, I was scared to, you know, order a second one and then not receive it or something like that. I probably was psyching myself out by looking at all the past reviews. Also, those reviews were from a long time, so I don't know. I've seen some recent reviews and it was trash as well, but I've seen 50-50 reviews as far as people receiving the product and it being exactly what they wanted. So They may be getting better with delivering their products and stuff like that, but overall, I'm really happy that I even got my vanity set up. And at least this isn't so bad. Like, it's not too far off from what I wanted as far as the mirror, but everything else is perfect. The only other thing is, for as much money as you're paying, you would want this to be a little bit more sturdier than this. And there's no other way to make this tighter and sturdier. So, but it looks amazing. It gives me the storage that I want. I'm able to put all my makeup away. I have some places to put some hair products in here as well. So I'm very happy about that. And also, I can just put this up against the wall and, do my makeup when I'm just doing my makeup, and then go to my actual studio part of my room and just do my makeup there, or, whatever. It's very convenient for me to have this, and I love it. To say the least, I love it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching me put together this vanity. If you want to see a studio tour or my content room, office tour, whatever you want to call it, then comment down below. Also, if you've ordered an Impressions vanity, let me know what your experience was down below in the comments. I can't wait to see you in the next one.